Hello and welcome to the evening edition of Findmystocks. As This is my NEST applications. I can right click and log in. The login exercise has already been done. Once you log into the application, this is the GUI that is presented. I'll go to the trade book. This is the trade book for today, 70,000 rupees of sales. I'm very happy and excited. So I can copy and start working on my Findmystocks application. So first thing first, let's open the Findmystocks application. I can go to the Internet Explorer and you will be having a hyperlink through which you can access the Findmystocks link. Once the link opens up with your user ID, remind you that it's a Microsoft account. So you have to register any of your email ID, let's say Gmail ID, into the Microsoft page so that you get your ID get created. It's a free of cost. So through that ID you can access only. You have to request the application access. That you can do it through go to the website findmystocks.communitylearning.in. There's the web page. Through this web page you can register, and once you get the access, you follow the initial setups which are outlined, and then you will be here. So start with the daily activity. You go in this order, the way it's there from top to down. So first you go to the daily. You downloaded the daily file, so you can copy this. You can download a CSV will open up, and those who can't see, you can just see there's an open. You can open up, and Excel by default will open up. Just to remind you, ignore the first column, go to the second column to the end, copy the whole text except the first row, go to your application, paste here. It will ask for the access, so say yes, and then whole thing gets edited. Click somewhere else so that all of this, and click one somewhere else also 2 times, so this all of these will be saved now. So go to the trade book. As you have already got the trade book from here, once again I'll just say you Control A, Control C. After that you do Control V here. You can paste all your stuff here, and just click somewhere else so that they all get pasted, and then run this program. This is the batch program. Wait till the icon flickering will stop, and it's give you the hand icon back. So mouse. So that means our programming has been completed. Let's go to the profit summary to see some of the profit that we have gone today. So today is 22nd of April. As you see, there are 475 rupees of income or the profit after selling 129 shares of the Bank of Baroda, similarly State Bank of India, and similarly the Times of India. So these are the individual stocks profit. If you want to see what is the aggregated profit here, then you must go to the ROI column, and this will do the month till yesterday, 21st of April. The total profit was 15,554. So now if I want to add today's profit, so the date should become 22nd. If you want to do that, go ahead to the trade book and run the second program. I suggest that you run the second program, second icon here, keep clicking. So whenever you need to calculate the profit, so if you need to just click here, system will reload the ROI table, and as you see, the ROI has gone to 0.913%. 17,228 rupees is the net profit on 22nd of April. So this gives you the total income on the monthly basis. So last month it was 22,000, 17,000 so far. So very good sign. And now I can go ahead and get the order book also. This is the order book. It's a long order book. So I can copy this, and you can put this copy into your local folder. So I have one folder designated, and there is a file that is always you keep it. This is the Notepad++. You can also do the Notepad also. It is whichever you want, you can use it. I like Notepad++ because it gives you you can just select this. It will show you how many cell lines are there for tomorrow, and save it. If you see that the market is on higher side, you don't want to do any buying at this point, you just remove all of these, because buys are grouped always in one way, and the sells are from at the end of the buy rows, sells will come. So we want to delete, then go ahead and delete it, because if you don't want to buy in this market. So for now, system anyway recommends, based on the money that you have in your account, trading account, system recommends you to buy. It's up to you whether you want to buy or not. So I decide not to buy in this market. I wait for another 2-3 days and then start the buying. So with this, I'm gonna close this. So it's a very good day, exciting day ahead, because ROI is zooming. It's going towards the 1% mark, which is I always expect the market to return, irrespective of I shouldn't be the extreme end, but if it is moving here and there, we should get 1%. So we are good. Just remind you that from last 3-4 days, I'm not buying anything because I feel personally that we should wait for some market to cool down and then we can rebuy again. So with this, we'll close the session. Thank you very much for watching Findmystocks. Should you have any question related to Findmystocks, how do we subscribe to the application, how do you use the training material, all of these is available in the website stocks.communitylearning.in. Thank you very much once again for watching this.